This lab activity goes with Lesson 31 in your Friendly Chemistry course, where you will have been describing Boyle's law. Boyle's law is the relationship between pressure and volume of a gas. For this activity, you'll need a syringe. At least a 30 or 35 cc syringe will work. Larger will work just fine. And then some miniature marshmallows. To conduct this lab activity, first you totally remove the plunger from the syringe and then drop in a miniature marshmallow. Then replace the plunger partway down into the syringe, and then you'll place your one finger over the hub of the syringe here where the needle goes. Now if your syringes came with needles, you don't need any needles for this activity, so you can just discard, put those aside. So then with one finger then over the needle end of the syringe, you begin to apply pressure to the syringe, and then you observe the marshmallow there. And I think you can see that little marshmallow pretty much really shrivels and shrinks. Now the explanation here is that the bubbles inside that marshmallow, now there's air trapped inside the marshmallow. As we increase the pressure there, the volume of those bubbles, the gas inside those bubbles, decreases, and therefore the volume goes down. So then as we let off and reduce the pressure, we've got the marshmallow comes back to its original size there. Okay, so I'll demonstrate again. Put your finger over the hub of the syringe, press on the syringe, increase the pressure, the volume of the marshmallow really goes down. Okay, now another thing you can do is if you bring it back to normal atmospheric pressure with your marshmallow there, and you take and partially with the end open there, what we're going to do is we're going to decrease the pressure inside this chamber here with our marshmallow. So again, I'm going to put my finger over the end, and then I'm going to pull out on the plunger. That's going to increase the volume inside here, and because we're increasing the volume, the pressure will fall inside that chamber. And let's just see what happens to our marshmallow here. We'll pull out on it, and you can see that our marshmallow really gets pretty darn big now. And so when the pressure goes down, the volume goes up. It's an inverse relationship. And then we bring it back down, and our little marshmallow is getting kind of tired of getting bigger and smaller. And so I'll do it one more time. So finger over the end. You've got your plunger partway down in the barrel of your syringe there. Finger over the end, and then pull out. Pressure goes down. Volume definitely goes up. Now this is the volume of the bubbles inside the marshmallow. That's the ones that we are adjusting up and down. So if you have access to a bell jar, a vacuum bell jar, you can do the same thing inside your bell jar with marshmallows or marshmallow peeps or anything like that. So there we got low pressure, and then we go down, and we can go high pressure and shrink our little marshmallow there. So this is a simple, fun, easy way to demonstrate Boyle's law, which is the relationship between pressure and volume of a gas.